Hello everyone, this is Free Learning. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to solve the problem when you have a table like this and you want to sort it, and you see this message. To do this, all the merged cells need to be the same size. So we have this problem because we have some merged cells. So we want to remove these merged cells. So suppose that you have very long table and you don't want to do it manually. So what we're going to do, we select the full table, click on find and select, go to special, and you select blanks, then click on OK. Now you click on merge and center, then you go back to find and select, you click on go to special again, you click on blanks, click on OK, and now you write equal and you click on the up arrow, and finally you click on Control Enter. You can see that now we have June is duplicated into the next cell, and also Mars is duplicated into the following empty cells. So now we don't have any empty cells, we don't have any merged cells. So now if we try to sort, we can sort the table without any problem. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.